Here's a 2012 Honda Civic sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, Bluetooth hands-free link, front heated leather bucket seats, multi-function steering wheel, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. MSN Autos reports it has a sleek new aerodynamic body with a sweeping roofline, rakish windshield angle, and low, wide stance. Interiors are blessed with more style and function. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.